Here we have for sale our February 2023 on a 72 plate Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T6.1, which means it is the facelifted 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T28, which means it's got a 2.8 ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre TDI Euro 6 diesel engine producing 150 PS, which is roughly 150 brake horsepower. That in this van is accompanied with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. What did, of course, start its life as a Highline panel van, but has undergone a thorough campervan conversion by our friends over at T1 Conversions. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Highline Transporter of this age, but of course that's not really what this is all about. This is talking you through all of the details of this fantastic, thorough, full campervan conversion. We'll have a really close look at the condition of the vehicle as well, talk to you a bit about the service history, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd, of course, with the desirable tailgate option at the back. So tailgate is one door which comes up like so, and of course glass has been added here to the tailgate, which gives you that visibility out of the back. You can see there right the way through into the front, so if you can look out of your rear view mirror. At the back then, a few modifications here. We've got the gloss black rear badge, and there's also a nice gloss black rear bumper protector there, and that ties in, I think, really well with some of the other elements, like the gloss black rear spoiler, which has also been added here at the back. In terms of condition, you'll see this as a theme when we go around the vehicle. It is in really stunning condition. The paintwork is in gorgeous condition throughout. This is in arguably the best colour you can get a T6.1 in, and that is Ascot Grey. Very, very desirable, and I think especially the conversion that's been done here and the tasteful design options as well, I think it suits it absolutely perfectly. T6.1 then, Highline, you will get parking sensors. You've got rear parking sensors and front parking sensors, which are standard equipment on a Highline, but this one has actually got a reversing camera, which is a factory reversing camera, and that is a nice optional extra again, which I think ties in really well. If we open up the tailgate then, we can start to have a look inside the back of the vehicle, and even in here there's plenty to talk you through. So the first thing we can see is the back of the Rib rock and roll bed. Now, a few elements to talk on with this. So Rib is, in my opinion, the best brand of rock and roll bed that you can put in these. They are fully crash tested. You've got Isofix compatibility on the 2 seats there. These headrests can come up and down as well to give you some adjustability, but crucially you sleep on the back of the bed. So underneath here, or underneath on the other side I should say, you've got of course the contours of the seat, but the way that it operates, this folds down flat, so you sleep on this very nice level and soft back of the bed effectively, which I think provides a much better quality of sleep inside. Brilliant furniture has been used in this, so Evo Design furniture throughout, very, very high quality with this lovely light oak finish, and I think that contrasts very, very well with, one, the actual colour of the van, but also the leather upholstery which has been added in here as well, which you'll have a better view of when we go around to the other side. You can see on the Evo Design furniture you have got plenty of storage even at the back of these cupboards here, so you've got these opening sliding wardrobes on the side, so you can see you've got some nice shelving there, and you have got some of the controls there for the Savvy Van touchscreen, which is in the front, which we'll talk you through a little bit later on. Down below then, really deep cupboard all the way back here. We've got the charging cable in there at the moment, the electric hookup, but of course you can use this for whatever you want, and you've got your consumer unit down here as well, so you can flick your trip switches on and off if you need to. Also at the back then, you can see this very nice, all inbuilt into the furniture. It's very nice subtle LED lighting there, which I think looks absolutely fantastic. It's also worth noting as well, while we're in here, the glass has been added to the rear quarter panels as well. So sometimes on these camper vans you see it just on the side, sort of where the side loading door is, but I think a nice touch on this, the glass has been continued all the way down the side, which I think looks nicer from the outside, but actually on the inside gives you more natural light inside as well. Of course, fully carpeted, fully insulated being of course a camper van done to a brilliant standard, as I say, by the guys at T1 Conversions. And then the blinds, you can see you've got these fantastic VanShades blinds as well, which are really high quality, provide a great blackout, as you can see there. And I say really nice, and you know, curtains I think can look a little bit old-fashioned, and sort of you're tying them back. This is all nicely enclosed on each window, and then you've got your table there, which is nicely tucked away at the back, which can then go inside at the front. In terms of condition here, you can see the nice wood effect flooring as well. That's all nice and hard wearing, and that is all, as I say, all of this is absolutely brand new. This has all been freshly converted, so this has never been slept in or used. It's all ready to go. At the top then, we've got a Storm pop-top roof, so very highly regarded brand for the roof, really high quality, and this one as well has got the added optional extra of having the full safari opening canvas here at the top. So this can unzip all the way around here, so you can actually pull all of that up to give you that full opening at the top. As you can see there, you've got openings as well, so you've got the sort of fly mesh there, which can be of course open and close, and then on the front, the window there on the front as well. So we've got all that open just to show you, but as I say, you can close those down as well if you want to. But a really good quality roof that has been used in this conversion. I think that's again a theme throughout this particular conversion, is that all of the elements that have been used are the absolute highest quality, and that really does show. And then no exception is the Leighton Vans alloy wheels. These are a 20-inch alloy wheel in their matte champagne colour, which again I think just contrasts very well with the Ascot Grey of the van. And I think, as you can see there, the stance is absolutely spot on. It's not overly low, but at the same time those wheels and tyres fit perfectly into the arches. In terms of condition, again, just looking down the side of the vehicle, we had a look at the back, but having a look down the side of the vehicle here, you can see that is all absolutely straight and true, and to my eye looks all totally original as well. If we open up the side loading door, then we can start to have a look inside here. So inside we get a look at the rib bed from the front, and you can see the leather upholstery that has been done on this is absolutely sublime. You can see you've got this perforated center part here, which gives it really nice soft touch and very comfortable to sit on. As you can see, as I mentioned, Isofix compatibility on the two seats there, of course, with all the seat belts. Another crucial thing with this bed is that this is a sliding rib bed. So using this handle here, you can actually slide this as a seating position. You can slide all that backwards and forwards to give you extra space here in the middle. When you want to fold it down to a bed, you pull it all the way to its forward position, and that allows you then to fold it right out into the flat bed. And if you go onto the full advert, you'll see photos of how that looks in that position. Again, really nice touch on this conversion is you have got these full massive drawers underneath the bed as well, so you can pull these open. Huge storage drawers under there as well. Really nice premium upgrade. Very nice electric package throughout the van, so you've got USBs and USB-Cs dotted around in numerous places around the van. Into the front then, you can see you've got a swivel passenger captain's front seat. Much better for socializing in here, so you can have someone sat there, or two people sat here if you want to. The table can clip onto this rail, and it creates this very nice social space here in the center. But yeah, having a look at the flooring that's been used here, the color of the leather upholstery, the color of the units, I think it all works really well, and yeah, certainly to my taste indeed. So you've got, of course, the VanShades there on the windows just there, and then over to the side then we've got this Savvy Van touch screen here, which is a control panel which you can operate things like your lights on here, and also the USBs. You can make sure there's power, and it also gives you a battery voltage there on the left hand side. A couple of 3-pin sockets there, so once you've got your van plugged in on a campsite, you can use those for full 230 volt power. And then down below that then you've got your Autoterm diesel heater. Now, I had one of these in my own transporter van, and this is an absolute just an absolute lifesaver when you go camping. I went in mine in February. It was frosty outside, and you can have this running throughout the night, and you are just lovely and toasty and warm. There's a load of different settings on here, so you can set this to have preheater controls in the morning. So if you're just using this as your car, you can have that so that, say, at 6 a.m. In the morning, it will power on and it will warm the van up nice and ready for you for your commute to work. But as I say, lots of different timing controls, but a really, really good quality diesel heater there. And again, some more USBs and USB-Cs at the top, little extra storage up the top here. Same on this side as well. You've got your Dometic appliances here in the center with your gas hobs, and also the sink there. Underneath that then, really nice and easy access here to your gas bottle and some fresh water there as well for your sink. Really nice soft close drawers, which are again just really high quality, which is what I was talking about with this being the Evo Design furniture. It's really lovely quality that has been used. Huge top loading fridge as well, so you can see the benefit here of having the top loading fridge. One, it doesn't look horrible there when you open the door, but you've still got all this nice counter space there. But when you want to use it, you can open that up and you've got this really deep top loading fridge there as well, so plenty of room. That's again a really nice upgrade on this van. This is your outlet here for your diesel heater, and say that will pump out the heat into the van. Fire extinguisher down there also. And then if we look up at the roof, there's plenty of natural light. You can see that here, all flooding into the van when you've got these open. And then crucially, gives you that head height. So I'm 6 foot and I've still got probably a foot above my head here when I stand up inside the van. And then you can fold down the bed, and you can see there you've got a mattress up on top of here with a full size double bed. So perfect if you're going to be traveling with children. They can sleep up there, which they will find absolutely fantastic and a great novelty as their little sort of den up there. And then you can maybe relax down here and go to bed down here when you are ready. And also little touches as well up here. You've got like a little reading light there, and also a little USB as well, so you can toggle that on or off as you wish. So some really, really nice touches inside the van as well, which I think is just really a perfect conversion in my opinion. Gloss black wing mirror covers. We've got the nice set of sidebars just there. They've got the smoked side indicator repeaters, which will be sequential. Really nice factory spec as well, having the LED factory headlights. They're a big upgrade on these vans. Full gloss black front end as well, so you've got the gloss black upper grills, you've got the gloss black lower grills, this very nice lower splitter which has been added as well. I think all in all, an absolutely stunning looking van in the Ascot Grey with the gloss black contrasting, those champagne Leighton Vans alloy wheels. I think that looks absolutely fantastic. In terms of condition then, again, just looking here at the front, you're going to get the odd tiny little stone chip here or there, but there's really not much to fault other than that. There's no scratches or dents or anything like that. It is in very good order. As I say, a couple of little touch-ins which, during detailing have just been done in the correct body colour. Just to the lower gloss black here at the bottom, again, just picked up some stone chips down here on this lower gloss black part. Again, just as to be expected on any used van. This has been very, very well looked after. This is one owner from new, and there is evidence of 2 previous services that have been carried out on the vehicle. So I believe around 19,000 and 37,000 those services have been carried out. The 37,000 mile one as well, that was done in I've seen the bill for that one. That was done in a Volkswagen dealer, and they actually did the DSG gearbox oil service as well at the same time. So really nice to see that that has been done. And of course this will, like all of our vehicles, will be going right through our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care, to be thoroughly checked out. And as I said, we'll be putting a new service on this one as well. So it is all absolutely ready to go for its new owner. 2 full flip remote keys come with the vehicle, all the usual Highline spec in here then, so you get electric heated folding mirrors, auto lights, auto wipers, adaptive cruise control. All of that comes as standard. You can see the fantastic leather upholstery job which has been done inside here. Into the center then, we've got heated front seats again, which is an optional extra, which is very nice. I'd have to double check, but the driver's one will still be active, no doubt. The passenger one, I'd have to double check. That may not be active with it being on a swivel, of course. But again, that's a nice optional extra. Heated windscreen. Into the center then you've got DAB radio, and App Connect, of course, comes on this screen as standard. That's 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, 53,063 miles recorded on here. You can see it's all idling correctly, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. So just to summarize then, this is a February 2023 on a 72 plate, one owner from new, Ascot Grey Highline 150 DSG panel van, the best color that you can get a T6.1 in, or certainly the most desirable. Brilliant conversion which has been carried out on this by, as I say, our friends over at T1 Conversion, using just the highest quality components wherever you look really on the vehicle, including, there's a huge list, but the things like those VanShades blinds, the storm pop-top roof, the Evo Design furniture, the Autoterm diesel heater, the Savvy Van touchscreen there inside as well, the full leather upholstery, even having that safari opening roof on there as well as a nice optional extra, but built on a fantastic base with LED headlights, reversing camera, and as I say, really nice styling touches on here as well. One owner from new, service history to accompany the van as well. It really is a very, very appealing proposition, with the campsites going to be opening shortly, or maybe just opened at the time you're watching this. As I say, a very, very appealing proposition indeed. If you'd like to see the full ad of it, you can see that on our website there, bridgeendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we currently got advertised. We can arrange finance at very competitive rates. We can of course take cars or vans in part exchange. We can deliver our vehicles nationwide as well. Thank you very much for watching.